If you need a heavy-duty hauler that gets the job done, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the best workhorses on the market. The 2025 Ford Super Duty is the king of the road, and we've got 5 pros that'll surprise you and 3 cons you can't ignore. First, we'll unveil the strengths of the big rig. Number 5, towing capacity. You could expect a lot from towing capacity, and the Ford Super Duty doesn't just meet those expectations, it crushes them. The heavy-duty truck is built for serious hauling, and with the right setup, it could tow more than 40,000 pounds, a realm beyond reality for all other HD models by other manufacturers. Of course, not every Super Duty buyer needs that kind of muscle, and Ford offers plenty of configurations to match different needs. The standard capacity starts strong with conventional towing that easily surpasses 20,000 pounds. When you start adding equipment such as a gooseneck or fifth-wheel setup, the numbers climb even higher. Each engine in the lineup plays a role in defining the Super Duty's capability. The base gas-powered models provide solid towing figures, more than enough for daily work. Diesel versions unlock the full potential, and top-tier models pushing the limits. Beyond raw numbers, the Super Duty's towing experience is enhanced by Ford's advanced technologies such as Pro Trailer Backup Assist, onboard scales, or trailer camera system. There is one thing we'd like to see on the HD truck though: the Pro Access tailgate. This feature makes loading items onto the bed and accessing them much easier. Number 4, Power Stroke Diesel. Unlike GM and Stellantis, which outsource their diesel engines to Duramax and Cummins, Ford builds Power Stroke in-house, ensuring that it's perfectly tuned for the Super Duty trucks. This homegrown approach results in seamless integration, boosted performance, and enhanced reliability that haulers can trust. The latest 6.7-liter Power Stroke V8 turbo diesel is a performance beast. In its base form, it churns out 475 horsepower and 1,050 pound-feet, but upgrading it to the high-output setup offers 500 ponies and a staggering 1,200 pound-feet of torque. No other HD truck can top that. Ford has recently revisited the drivetrain for better fuel efficiency and quieter operation, while the durability stays intact. The 6.6-liter Duramax in the Chevrolet Silverado HD and the 6.7i Cummins in the Ram HD are solid choices, but neither matches the output of the Power Stroke. Let's remind you, properly equipped, the F350 model can tow more than 40,000 pounds, and the first step toward achieving that dream-level hauling capability is the Power Stroke Turbo Diesel. Number 3, Godzilla engine. Oil burners get most of the attention, but let's not forget that the 2025 Ford Super Duty also features a gasoline engine with impressive capabilities. In the heavy-duty truck world, Ford's 7.3-liter V8, known as the Godzilla, proves that gas-powered workhorses still have a place. The truck offers this naturally aspirated beast as a perfect alternative for those who prefer simpler maintenance and lower upfront costs. Still, the Godzilla keeps the impressive reliability, and when it comes to power, torque, and towing, it beats gas engines in both the Chevy Silverado HD and Ram HD with ease. Truckers praise the low-end grunt and strong acceleration without the need to rev sky high. 430 horsepower and 485 pound-feet of torque are enough for the maximum towing of 18,200 pounds. You can get a bit more with the Chevy Silverado HD 6.6 petrol unit, and Ford beats Ram's 17,730 pounds of maximum towing with the Hemi powertrain. Number 2, 6.8-liter Mini Zilla. The Blue Oval offers something that neither GM nor Stellantis provides in their heavy-duty trucks: an optional gas engine. The 6.8-liter V8, dubbed the Mini Zilla, may be smaller than its 7.3-liter sibling, but it still delivers excellent performance for starters with 405 horsepower and 445 pound-feet of torque. The engine won't break towing records, nor will it pin you to the seat when you floor the pedal. It's designed to be affordable, efficient, and easy to maintain. The Mini Zilla can also be a hard worker, with 17,300 pounds of maximum towing capacity. Ford's strategy with this unit is clear. They want to offer more choices for better adaptability. By providing 2 gas-powered options, the truck maker ensures that Super Duty buyers can get a rig that fits their needs. Number 1, configurations. Versatility is another strength of the Super Duty lineup, offering more options than its rivals. We've already went through the engine squadron, and here are just some of the other choices you'll have to make during the personalization process. The lineup starts with the F250 model, brings the F350 model with more muscle, and also offers the F450 at the top of the range. And the 2025 Ford Super Duty offers multiple cab and bed configurations. The regular cab is a classic 2-door workhorse with a single-row bench. The Super Cab and Crew Cab are better choices for a larger crew. When it comes to bed sizes, buyers can choose between a standard short bed for easier maneuverability and a long bed for maximizing payload capacity. Trim levels further expand the Super Duty's customization. The XL features essential work-ready tech. The XLT adds extra convenience and comfort. The Lariat is a big step towards the premium section. where you'll find the King Ranch and Platinum grades with some high-end options. This year, the truck takes a step further with the Platinum Plus bundle that'll rival the Sierra Denali Ultimate in opulence. This isn't all. Ford offers countless optional upgrades that allow buyers to build a truck that perfectly matches their needs, whether it's a clean work truck, a high-end luxury suite on wheels, or an off-road ready rig. These Super Duty HD trucks aren't perfect as they might seem with all these strengths we've highlighted. Now, let's check the downsides. Number 3. Safety tech. While the Ford Super Duty dominates in power, performance, capability, and versatility, its safety technology remains a weak point compared to rivals. Heavy-duty trucks aren't typically known for cutting-edge driver assistance features. However, with modern tech making way into more vehicles, the Super Duty safety suite feels like it could use an upgrade. Ford does offer essentials such as automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, or blind spot monitoring. Still, these features are either optional or limited to higher trims. Base models lack some of the standard safety tech that has become common even in smaller trucks and SUVs. This is especially important knowing that the truck can tow more than 40,000 pounds. Also, hands-free driving is missing since Ford has limited Blue Cruise system availability to the F-150. To make things worse, General Motors rolls out the Super Cruise package, one of the most advanced hands-free driving systems in the market for their heavy-duty trucks. Ford needs to consider a wider availability of cameras and parking sensors that could ease parking and maneuvering, since for now, buyers can use them only on higher trims. Number 2. No off-road trim. Ford does offer FX4 and Tremor packages, but their availability is limited, and truckers looking for a version built for serious off-roading are somehow disappointed with the lack of something that should rival the Ram's Power Wagon, the Silverado ZR2, or the Sierra's AT4X. The FX4 package is designed for basic off-road adventures. The Super Duty is getting skid plates, specially tuned shocks, and a locking rear differential. This is a light boost rather than a full off-road transformation. The Tremor bundle makes things way better with all-terrain tires, upgraded suspension, additional off-road driving modes, and special body graphics. However, it's only available on select trims and configurations, which limits its appeal. Many enthusiasts were hoping for a serious off-road grade, the Raptor for example. With a huge success on the F-150 and now even the Ranger, this trim level seemed like the next logical step. A Super Duty Raptor with massive tires, long travel suspension, and Baja-ready performance would have been a game-changer in its segment. Unfortunately, it's not happening, at least not this year. Number 1. Hefty price. All the capability and versatility have their price, literally. Even in its most basic form, the 2025 Ford Super Duty isn't cheap. The entry-level F-250 XL with a regular cab and a 6.8-liter gas engine starts at $45,300. Opting for the XLT trim immediately pushes the price past $50,000, and that's before considering any changes. Need more space? The Super Cab adds $2,600, while the Crew Cab, the most popular configuration, is a $3,800 purchase. On the bright side, it expands the cabin space and unlocks numerous upgrade possibilities, but the trade-off is that so it makes it all too easy for the price to skyrocket. Then comes the powertrain. The standard 6.8-liter engine isn't a bad choice, but most buyers will want the larger Godzilla for its extra muscle, and that upgrade alone costs $1,000. Diesel fans are looking at a serious investment, $10,000 for the standard power stroke and $13,000 for the high-output setup. At that point, we're already pushing $65,000, still with a base XL trim and rear-wheel drive. If four-wheel drive is a must, and for many truck buyers it absolutely is, that's another $2,800. Moving up to the high-end King Ranch or Platinum trims means the price easily breaks the $100,000 line. At least you're getting most of the optional and high-end features, sometimes even unavailable on lower grades. But when you add convenience in working gear such as an aux camera, fifth wheel hitch kit, or tonneau cover, the price goes deeper into six-digit waters. Thanks for watching and see you next time.